Chris 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. We're looking for warmer weather today and tomorrow, but it's not going to be clear and blue like we expected it to be. We're picking up quite a bit of cloud cover. It's overcast coming in from the west. We'll be talking about it. It's 73 for us at the airport, Breville and Kingsville, but it's that south wind that's kicking in, and that's going to bring back that Gulf air and humidity. In fact, by tomorrow morning, we'll probably have a round of morning fog to deal with, but the temperatures will be rising over the next couple of days. In fact, temperatures all over Texas will be running about 10 degrees above normal for the next 2 days until we watch and wait to see what happens with that storm on the west coast. Right about now, you're thinking, well, what do we care about the west coast? Well, let me tell you, we're all kind of related here. See this high cloud deck? That's the one that's coming through our area. It's not going to give us any rain because pressure is too high. But you go to the west coast of the United States, and this is one of the most powerful Pacific storms I've seen in a long time, and I've been doing this a long time. A double barrel low, heavy rain, wind, and snow. And then look at this. This is the tropical connection. So you can say that the moisture from the mid-Pacific is coming up and slamming into California, where they're going to be getting torrential rains. In fact, you're going to be hearing the story. Remember all the Arctic cold was out here? Well, that's gone. Now everything's coming in from the west coast, and I'm talking this is going to be one that's going to cause flooding, evacuations, houses are going to be sliding off hills on this one, and I'm not exaggerating on that. Now, as far as we're concerned, some of that moisture will be drifting over our area, but in terms of rain, we're not going to get any of that. Here's the mild weather that's over us for today. Still obviously cold to the north. We're going to watch and wait to see when that arrives. Now, today will be sunny. The sun is up there. We'll just have that cloud deck sort of passing through, but no rain. You can see right about there. As we get into Friday, we still have the very warm weather, but still have the overcast. And we're going to watch this because Friday it starts to destabilize out in the western states. For us, we are looking at a warming weather, getting up to 79 tomorrow and then 80 on Saturday with a very strong southwest wind. Now, southwest wind would come up over the mountains of Mexico and then down into our area. That's why we expect it to warm up to about 80. Then that little front comes through on Sunday, so we start dropping the temperature. And look at this, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, damp and cold back into the 60s. So we got a roller coaster of weather right now, and what that storm does, I mean, that's based on the pattern of where it's going. It's going to be something that we're all going to have to be dealing with.